Hi, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man, coming back at you with another video. In this video, we're going to look at the Duralast 800 Power Jump Starter. Let's check it out.
Get strong.
This jump starter is made out of hard plastic with nice thick jumper cables, very sleek looking and compact in size. It's a little heavy, but the handles on the top makes it very easy to carry. The main features are 800 peak amps, 12 volt power supply, built-in work light, USB port for charging your devices. On the front of the power unit you have two battery clamps, a rotary switch for USB and the jump starter to start, a built-in work light, battery status indicators, red less than 20% of the charge, yellow 20 to 80% of the full charge, and green more than 80% of the full charge on the indicators. You have a USB port on it, and it starts from 2 amps at 5 volts VDC. On the back, you have a power plug to charge the unit. While charging, the red light will be on until it reaches what they call the maintain mode. Then the LED light will pulse green, indicating a full charge. You can charge the battery with your cigarette lighter and a separate male-to-male cable that you would have to purchase separately. So now let's see how to hook it up to our battery. Your location, then you want to take your negative charge, you want your positive charge, and you want to connect it to the positive. You want to take your negative charge, connect it to the negative, and you'll see it's going to light up. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to turn this on, and then you go inside and you crank the car up. So after you hooked it up, then the next thing you want to do is, of course, come in and it starts. Now you want to turn it off, disconnect the negative, disconnect the positive, and you're done. So some additional features you have a power light that you can simply click to turn on, nice work light. You also can charge your device by plugging in your USB, turn the switch on, and now your device is charging. In addition, the final thing you have is a 12 volt output. You can hook an adapter up to this and it will charge your unit with the adapter. And the same process would be you would plug it in there and you turn this on and then it would charge your unit. So this has been a quick review of the Duralast 800 Jump Starter. If you found value in this video, please subscribe, ring the bell to get my next video, share with your friends, and most importantly, comment. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Thanks for watching. And remember, before you buy anything, always first check it out.
Get strong.